morning, everybody. Taco Tuesday today. Hopefully you're having a great day. Frank, impossible. I'm going to start calling Frank impossible because I don't understand how this dude gets in the stream before I do every single day. It is impossible that Frank is a human at this point. 100%. This dude is like dedicated to being number one. I don't know how he makes it happen. But we got Frank, we got Danelle, Ugan and Toad, Nick F in the chat, Outdoor Smile, Kevin, Pugnacious, Danelle, Mark. We got a lot of doubles in here. Ugan and Julie Miller. Good morning to you, Julie Miller. Joseph Gallen, how you doing, man? Good morning, Clay, bro. Good morning, everybody. Yes, Dragon Rojovic. Vojovic. Dude, I do not know how to say the last name. Dragon, I'm very sorry, man. Don't know how to say the last name. Shiba Army, let's get it. Dallas T. Dallas, Texas? Dallas T. How you doing, man? Kevin Ugandan, Victor, and Darren. Good morning to all of you guys. Hopefully you're having a better morning than the market is. If you want somebody to blame for the market falling today, you can go ahead and blame Mr. Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell is not my father. And the market is tanking because of him. It's simply that. He's over there testifying in front of, I don't think it's Congress who's talking about today, is it? He's talking to somebody. He's testifying over the CARES Act and the coronavirus at the moment, and it is not working out in favor of the market. We are bleeding today. Oh my goodness. We get Prague barely up after it was up roughly 10 to 12% this morning. Tesla down, Fun is down, CEI is down, MMAT down, GameStop down, AMC down, Farmy down, NASDAQ down over 1% right now. It is definitely taking its toll on the market. Whatever that man is saying right now, I don't like it. Am I going to be his friend? I don't know. Maybe. Is he a bro? I doubt it. But we're here. That's all that matters. And Shiba performing very well this morning, touching, I think, 5,200 points per coin, sitting at 48.30 right now. We've got a little glimmer of hope in Shiba. GameStop down to 194. Prague sitting at 320. AMC 34.45. Say goodbye to that wedge we were in with Shiba Inu Coin. Aw, man, I wasn't even Big Weeble. What are you doing, Clay? Say goodbye to that wedge we were in. We are down below that wedge right now, and we need to get back into it. Hello, good morning, bro. Abhishek, how you doing, man? Did you make 2021 the best year ever? Chris, 2021 is... Yeah, dude, you know what? 2021 has been the best year ever. I'm not going to lie. And when we do transfer over to 2022, you know what we're going to do, right? Like, you know what we're going to do in 2022. But I will admit, man, 2021 has been an incredible year. Some might even venture to say it's been the best year ever, dude. Some might even say that, you know? I would probably say that. Kyle G, morning, Clay. What's going on, Kyle? How you doing, man? Clay, bro, what up, fam? How you doing, crypto NFT kid? What do you think of VET? We talking about VeChain? What are we talking about here with VET? We talking about a stock, or you got something else in mind? Bloodbath and the whole market. What the heck is going on? I'm cool, yeah. So there is a dramatic bloodbath going on in the market right now. I wasn't able to listen to everything that he was saying, but Jerome Powell is currently testifying, and I know that the market is reacting this way because of him. He's talking about the CARES Act, he's talking about coronavirus, he's talking about, I think, HUD, Housing and Urban Development or something like that. There was a lot of stuff going on that he was talking about, but main focuses were CARES Act and the coronavirus. And whatever he's saying, dude, investors, the market, are not liking it. I mean, plain and simple. That's what it is right now. He's the only one doing that. 2021's like, no, it did not, Victor. 2021 is the best year ever. It's going to skyrocket in 2022. Let's get it, man. Good morning, Clay, bro. Andy, good morning to you. Put $900 in VeChain. I don't know if I did something good. Moran, I think you probably did. Easy does it. It's better than $900 in, let's say, I don't know, a new PS5 or something. You're gonna get more money out of that investment than you would there. Wow, super sale today. I'm loving this. Man, isn't it funny? It's like a flip of a coin. Some people love the dip. They love to buy it because they're long-term investors. And then some people absolutely hate it. They can't stand it. They've got that short-term focus and mentality. And, you know, nothing wrong with either one. Nothing wrong with either one because clearly you can make a lot of money in the short term. But, you know, it is discouraging if you're a short-term day trader, retail trader, swing trader, whatever. And you do see days like this that were unexpected. That does make it hard. But long-term focus, man, this is a buying opportunity. Thanks, bro, for being an amazing year. Chris, it has been an amazing year, hasn't it, Clay, bro? On it today. Let's go, Adam. Let's get it. What's your IG? I thought I added you, but I think it was a scammer. So it could have been a scammer, right? There are a few of them out there. I don't have that many followers on Instagram and so on, but you can use the link in the description. It's Claybro883. It's the same as my Twitter, and same as the email, Claybro883@gmail. It's just all the same across the board with that 883, man. I know there's some accounts out there that have like the underscore, so forget about those guys. Forget about those guys with the underscores. That's not me. It's the 883. That is me. Bharat, love from India, love from Ohio, man. How you doing this morning? Hopefully you're doing great, and we are back. All right, cool. Camera working. How long expecting yourself to hold Shiba for 5 years? Yeah, Jack, I'm not exactly sure, man. I'm not exactly sure. So I haven't, I do believe Shiba Inu is a nice long-term hold. But I haven't determined, like, when I would exit if it reaches a certain price by a certain point. So if we do see something dramatic, if there's some anomaly where we see Shiba shoot up to like 2 zeros or something, and it shoots up to half a penny, just extremely fast. We're talking sometime next year. And it's got a valuation rivaling Bitcoin's. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. I think that growth is too fast, and I don't think that's sustainable. So I would sell it in that situation. I think it can go higher than that long term, but if we saw growth like that, man, I would sell it and then plan on getting back in on some sort of a dip. I don't think growth like that would be sustainable at all. So if we do see something like that happen, man, I'm willing to sell it, shorter term. But otherwise, if we just see, some slow action, some slow sustained growth, I'm willing to hold it for quite some time, dude. I think it's got great potential. Can Shiba Inu took me the first crypto to become a stock on the NYSE? Did you see energetic? So I don't think so. You're not going to see the actual token become a stock. Now, if Shiba Inu were to develop some sort of a company and do an initial public offering that way, that could be a different story. Now, they wouldn't be listing the token on the NYSE. It wouldn't be Shiba Inu coin that you're trading on the New York Stock Exchange. You would be trading like the Shiba Inu company or something. Now, that could get a little dangerous, because Ripple did something very similar to that, and the fact that they owned their coins, though. The coin there was centralized. Shiba Inu coin is not centralized. It's a decentralized token, and the fact that Ripple did that, that's why the SEC was, opened up a lawsuit against them and everything, because it was very similar to the way stocks were trading. And the money they raised during that coin sale was basically equity in the company. So you're not going to see something like that happen with the token. But yeah, man, I mean, if the company ends up doing something and they develop the token along the way, you may see something like that happen. Lies, fraudster. Maybe, dude, maybe. I don't know if you're talking about me or somebody else, but yes, for sure. Hot Karate, Ohio in the house. Nice, Hot Karate, Ohio in the house here as well. Can you trade Shiba on Kraken? Eastern time? Yes, I need to hurry and make some deposits. So, Steven, you can, man. I was on it. I did not. So I had somebody tell me they didn't see it on their phone. I don't know if that's because the app wasn't updated or what the deal was, but I have access to it on the computer right here. I don't have my bank account hooked up to Kraken, but you can buy it on Kraken. It said coming soon yesterday, and now you can go ahead, click on it, and go ahead there, and if you guys have your accounts and everything set up with Kraken, you can definitely do it. But I can pull it up here if you want to show you. But yeah, man, you can definitely get it on, at least on the desktop version right now. I don't know if it's available everywhere, but you can do it on the desktop version. Greetings from Kuala Lumpur. Wow, Marcus, really? Greetings from Ohio, man. How you doing? Shiny seems like the most legit gaming token to me. A lot say they're let's say they are, but Shiny has AAA Gaming coming up down the pipes. Sure Woody, very nice, man. Shiba Inu Coin, also AAA Gaming down the pipeline, dude. Great day for AMC Crypto Rocketeer. We are undabbing, undabbing on AMC today, and really every other stock for that matter. Everything is getting blasted today, man. Blasted big time. Farmy sitting down at 24.45. I might just exit Farmy if it hits 24, dude. The thing is, everything is down today, which makes me not want to just exit on such a down day. But I can't watch that. I can't watch it continue to bleed, man. I'd rather get into something else. But, yeah, Farmy down, AMC down, GameStop down, MMAT down, CEI down, Fun is down, Tesla's down, everything is down except for Prague. It's about to be down in a minute, though. Brian Markley & Co. with the pirate flag. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Aye, matey. Oh, no. Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Devil's Advocate. I'm probably speaking directly to Devil's Advocate right now since he's, like, the youngest in the group here. I can't hear you. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? You guys know the rest. Brian, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Really appreciate that. Now I'm late. Awkward. Yeah, dude, you're late for the song. The heck, man. GFI is up. At least we got something up right there. Yes, what about Robinhood? Any update? Actually, no. No updates on Robinhood as of right now, man. I have not seen anything regarding Robinhood. Hopefully Robinhood gets it listed. Sweet. Awkward, Sam. Very awkward, man. Day trading is the best. Zishan, man. Day trading is the best if you're disciplined and you're good at it. I mean, if you can lose a lot of money day trading as well. So don't forget about that. Think you should be coming this December? I hope so, Dominic. I hope we get nothing but sweet release after sweet release after sweet release. I mean, facts, but okay, never mind. It's top of the morning to you. Cali, represent. Brian, top of the morning to you as well. Hello from Canton, Ohio. Michael, hello from Ohio, man. Good to see you. At least you make some money. We got to make some money, yes. If you're losing money day trading, that's a bad idea. Dominic says, yes, let's get it, man. Let's see here. What do we got? Anything else? South Africa in the house today. Brandon, South Africa. Interesting, man. Interesting. How you holding up over there? Hopefully good. Part 1. Click. Does it make me a bad person if I, after reading the rules, learned I can get 4 hours paid off for a booster shot, and if sick, can get the next day paid off without using PTO? Dude, no, it's not bad. Just tell them you're sick anyway. Part 2. So I scheduled it for Thursday, and I'm leaving at lunch, conveniently giving me 4 hours to get off, and a Friday, cough, cough, not feeling well for the long weekend. No, it's definitely not bad at all, dude. That's definitely not bad at all. I mean, we're not going to get here, we're not going to, we're not going to get into a whole discussion surrounding these things, but no, dude, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Honestly, your girlfriend might be able to schedule off too, man, because I think these, you might want to look into it beforehand, right? But I think if she takes you to the doctors or, you know, wherever you're going to end up getting that shot, if she takes you, I think that's also a legitimate excuse. They're trying everything possible to promote this kind of activity. So yes, please do it, and do not feel bad about taking off Friday. So yeah, and make sure she takes you too. Just telling you, and then make sure she stays home with you on Friday as well. It's all paid, dude. It's all paid. Take advantage of it, please. 2022 is the year of the SHIB. Shaq Burvo. So what you're saying is 2022 is going to be the best year ever. We're going to make 2022 the best year ever. When moon, soon moon, Theron, soon moon. Maybe not with AMC, but soon moon on something now, because we are having a very red day today. Evoke is the developing advisor for Shiba Inu Games. Do you think he got Activision to be a AAA gaming company, or is it a different company? But you know what, Dominic? It could be, but that's all. That's gonna be 100% speculation, man. So Satoshi and Volk are in a lot of non-disclosure agreements. They're not going to be able to say who's developing these games and everything that's going on with them until they're kind of like ready for release, man. So unfortunately, you know, it's fun to speculate, and I think we should at times to keep the excitement going, but that's exactly what it is, and I have to remind everybody that that's what it is, dude. It's going to be speculation because we have no idea, and they're not even allowed to say, so I hope so. But if I do that, we have to hang out all day. I'll just drive myself. All right, facts, man, facts. Um, dude, she could go shopping or something. I mean, I don't know if you have to hang out. It's just a day off. You could come up with something, man. You could come up with something. Like, hey, you know what? You could go to this. You could get your nails done, or go to the mall or something like that. True, it is speculation for a couple of months. Dominic, exactly, man. But shoot, I'm on board with it. I'm on board with it. We can speculate and have as much fun as possible, as long as we don't get carried away. If we can walk that line between realistic and optimistic, I'm all down for it. Low is 28 in August. Doubt they can push it to there. Yeah, there. And so if they do get AMC back down to the lower 30s, that's kind of the major level of support we have, is that $28.50 to $30 per share level. 52 week high, 85 low, 25.75 today. Greetings from, what is it, Southwest Florida. Have an awesome day, everybody. Brian, did I get it right? Southwest. Dude, Brian's a pirate for sure. If Brian's in Southwest Florida throwing pirate flags, Brian is definitely a pirate. He's got some pirate blood in him. Did you spend some money on Black Friday, or do you think it's a scam? No, I definitely spent money on Black Friday, man. I got my computer. So I bought that computer, and all the stuff's supposed to be delivered by December 4th. So I spent some money. I don't know how great of a deal everything was. I ended up saving about a little over 30% maybe total between everything. But I'm going to be honest, dude. I don't know if it was that great of a deal. I mean, 30% is 30%, but I think you can almost get the same deal any time of year. Dirt Star Saloon, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Clay bro, become a squid bro. Check out what SQM Squid Moon is doing. Audit done. Game out in 2 days. Okay, I will check that out. Dirt Star Saloon, man. Did you drop your sheriff's badge on the ground or something? Or what's up with the Dirt Star, man? Did you drop your badge on the floor and now it's dirty? Is that what's going on there? Just wash it off, man. And then it's used to be Star Saloon. But anyway, yeah, I probably should get in contact with, because I got people from Squid Moon actually emailing me. So if they got a game coming out in 2 days, man, I could give them a shout out. If they got a game coming out, that could be pretty cool. Did you buy a new egg? No. So Joe, I bought a lot from Best Buy and then Sam's Club. Sam's Club was actually probably better than a lot of the other places I saw. Newegg was the same exact price as Best Buy, so I went with Best Buy just in case I got to take anything back. I can literally just drive it up the road and take it back. Bro, what's up? Let's drop some zeros. Let's get it, Jim. We need to go on another run here. Drop these zeros and go to 3. How many ships do you hold? Oh man, how many ships do I hold? Matter of fact, I don't even know if I have any ships in this house in any form. Picture, in a bottle, friend. Yeah, man. I don't think I got none. I don't think I have any ships in any form. How many shibs do you hold? Oh, Tony, shibs. Gotcha, man. My average is about 5,200. I don't discuss how many I have in any position for that matter. So I don't discuss the overall quantity, but my average is at 5,200. I think I was in the green for a minute this morning, and then now I'm back in the red again since we're back down to like 4,900 points per coin, 47.88 right now. But other than that, yeah, my average is, I'm slightly down on it, down about 400 points. My shib's up. Haven't checked in once. Nice, Theron. I love it so much. Ship for a shib. There you go, Brian. Selling your ship for shibs. That's all good, man. Coming down to critical levels on AMC below 33.80. We may be looking at 30. Yeah, Mr. Enormous. So that is a possibility. If we do end up continuing to fall here, and I don't know if we're going to rebound or what the deal is, because it's clear that, what's his name, Powell really destroyed the market today. I mean, I don't know how this guy's going to go home and enjoy his lunch today after wiping out probably hundreds of billions of dollars in wealth with the swipe of his mouth. But AMC, we got to look at this. I get that super chat in 2 seconds here. Clearly out of the wedge. Breaking that support line we had here at 34.50. And I'm going to be completely honest, man. We are most likely going to come down here and test the lower 30s. 32, possibly all the way down to 30 again. So next level of support is like 32, followed by this $30 level. So we really got to keep our eyes. I highly doubt we drop this far today and drop from 37 bucks all the way to 30. But the fact that we are running low on support, these are our next two levels, 32 to $30 per share, are what we really need to keep an eye on. Going back out of the customized view, and then we gotta say, Adam! Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, Clay, did Doge ever have to burn coins to reach the penny mark, or no? So, no, Dogecoin actually has a lot less shares or a lot less coins outstanding. Dogecoin's much different in structure than Shiba Inu is. So, Shiba Inu, all of its coins were in circulation from the start. And then VB. I don't know if the dude's name is Vitali or how exactly you pronounce his name. But VB, the founder of Ethereum, he received 50% of all of the Shiba Inu coins. And he ended up burning almost all of them. He burnt about 410 trillion Shiba Inu coins when they were worthless. Now, that's great. That took the overall supply down to around 500 trillion. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know the exact number for Dogecoin, but it's a lot less in overall circulating supply. It's just far less. However, Dogecoin is like a US dollar. They can always print more. There's an unlimited total supply. Now, there's a finite amount in circulation, but they can create more, and they can mine more. So there's this unlimited supply for Dogecoin, but there's not an unlimited circulating supply. And that's the main difference. So Dogecoin did not have to burn any coins to reach a penny, to reach 70 cents, and everything that it was able to reach, because the circulating supply was much less. So that's the drastic difference between Doge and Shiba. Doge, the circulating supply was much less, although it is unlimited. Shiba has a limited total supply, but the circulating supply is much greater. And then Corey, and excellent question, by the way, man. Excellent question. Thank you very much for asking that. Do you know anything about Lunar LNR? It was pumping yesterday. So, no, I don't know anything about Lunar. You're not talking about... so it's LNR? This isn't the one I'm thinking of, is it? Is it the Terra? Is it this? It's LNR. It's not Luna, right? I don't know which one you're talking about, man. If you're talking about Corey, no. I don't know if you... So that's the difficult part, man. I don't know if you're talking about Luna, which is this one, or if you're talking about Lunar, which that I don't know about Lunar. This one's also doing very well today, up 12%. But not exactly sure if that's one you were talking about or not. If it's not, here's another one you guys can get into Luna. Also a good one. But if you're talking about Lunar, I don't know anything about Lunar, unfortunately. Let's see. He's officially worse than John. We want John back. Yes, we need John for the Federal Reserve, please. Forget Jerome. We need John. Hey, Clay, if I gave you the link to the petition I started to get Amazon to accept Shiba as payment, would you share it on all your platforms for me? Derek, is it on change.org or where's it at, man? I don't want to share something that's on like some random website or anything, but I don't have a problem retweeting something. If you just like, if you tweet it out and tag me in it, I can retweet it or something like that. I don't have a problem doing that. As long as it's on change.org or some legit website. I don't want to do it if it's on some random website. It's like HTTP and you don't even have the security on there. Hey, did a video earlier today about that, Matthew. Buy as much as possible now. This is a steal deal. Matthew, it's been a while since you've been in here, Matthew. How you doing? Is Shiba Army token legit? Possibly, but I don't think it's not from the same developers as Shiba Inu coin. So if that's what you're looking at, not from the same ones. They've got Bone Leash and Shiba, but I don't know about Shiba Army token. I don't know if they're trying to capitalize on the Shiba Army hype or what they're doing there. So Kraken started trading. Yeah, Corey. So Kraken has started trading, man. You can go ahead and I think I should probably pull that up. Let me see if I can actually get that up. What if where's this at? Okay. Dude, where's my cursor? Alright. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Come on, computer. AMC steals money. I don't think AMC is stealing your money. You too, Matthew. Very nice. In and out to accept Shiba. Have you heard anything about this? I have not. Sorry, I'm late to the stream. Any idea what to expect to see from Shiba now that it's falling? I think it might just be pulling back a little bit, man. I don't think it's necessarily falling. I think it's pulling back from those highs we were just hitting. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned about it falling. I think it's probably just trying to hit some levels of support. All right, let's see. So if you guys got this right here. Okay. All right, so this is your Kraken website. If you got Kraken up, that's where it's at. And I don't know what it looks like on the app at this point, okay? I do not know that. But if you've got the website up here and you just go over to buy crypto at the top, you can click on buy. And it's going to show you all the cryptocurrencies that you can buy, right? You'll be able to scroll down and see all of these. So you can either scroll down and select Shiba right there, or if you just search it, you can select it. Yesterday, it said coming soon. You were unable to click on it, unable to do anything. I do not have my bank account hooked up to the Kraken exchange since I don't use Kraken, but I have an account so that I was trying to, keep tabs on everything they're doing. If you go out there, and they are ready. So you can update your bank account or whatever form of payment you guys want to be able to go out and buy there with. So yes, since I don't have mine set up, I actually can't go ahead and purchase any on Kraken. But they do have it available to buy Shiba Inu Coin on Kraken's platform right now. They're showing it's currently up 18%. I don't know what part of yesterday they're comparing that to, but Shiba Inu Coin right there available for purchase. Getting anxiety seeing 41 unreads on Clay's Twitter. Ah, dude, there's more than that. There's more than that. That might be from yesterday. That's not all DMs though. That's notifications. There's a lot of notifications because people tag me in a lot of stuff on there. Boom! Get rid of that one. Good to go. Make it a little smaller so it doesn't show up so big next time. But there you go. If you guys are wanting to buy Shiba on Kraken, you can go ahead and do it like that. I believe Shiba is correct itself. It will correct itself. It'll eventually move up and stay above 55 or higher. Corey, yeah, I think Shiba is going to have a very nice long-term run. I don't think that it's done, or I don't think it's anything like that. I think we're pulling back a little bit on the run that we just had there. We were at like 52 plus 100 this morning, sitting at what did we actually touch this morning? Looks like about 54. Very nice. Touched about 54 this morning before pulling back a little bit. But everything taking a hit right now because of my buddy Jerome Powell going out there and saying some nonsense, getting a lot of people upset, causing a big sell-off in the market. I'm talking huge sell-off. Jerome needs to calm himself. Still hold prog? Ryan, yes, still hold. I still have the same amount of prog that I bought at 350. I did not get rid of my prog. My prediction is 0.000072 by the end of today. Shiba Torpedo. Let's get it, Tony. Bro, diamond hands. Ashish. You know it, man. You know it. The only thing I might stop diamond handing soon is farming. That's the only thing I might stop diamond handing pretty soon. I think that's the next thing I'm going to sell, actually. Regardless of when I sell it, I think that's the next thing I'm going to sell. I'm not really looking to sell anything else. But farming, I think I can move that into something else. What do I think of Rogue and Prog? Effective carrot. Rogue and Prog? Do you expect any more increases today in price? David, in Shiba or in AMC? Honestly, I think we bounce. I think we bounce in both. I think, I don't think we're going to continue this downtrend the rest of the day in the overall stock market. I think once Powell just stops talking and steps off stage and he's done with his testimony there, I think that stuff's going to rebound a little bit, man. And at least I'm hopeful, right? I don't think that it can decline at the pace that it's declining for the rest of the day. That would be an absurd, like 10 to 20% drop in everything. So I don't see that happening, but I don't know where it's going to bounce, which is what everybody always wants to know. It's like, when is the low of the day? When is the low point? BTC going to down. SLWWE. I mean, everything's pulling back a little bit right now. I don't know what Bitcoin is currently at. Bitcoin is... So let's see what Bitcoin is currently at. My goodness. Come on. Bitcoin, 56,700. So not declining too much. Down about 2% on the day. What does Bitcoin look like? Yeah, Bitcoin had a nice run yesterday and kind of coming back down to this area. We may see Bitcoin retest this 56,000. So it may fall back to 56,000 where it's got some support. If it falls through that, you're looking back down at lower 54, 53,000 per Bitcoin. I'm still happy with Prog, man. Feels like I can breathe for the first time in a minute. That's what I'm talking about, dude. At least I'm glad you can breathe. AMC got a little red candle on here, coming down to 33.40 right now. Nobody likes 33.40. We need that to be 43.40. Come on, AMC. We got a little decline. Prog kind of sitting steady now, trading sideways. 326. Shiba down to 46.58 right now, and GameStop 191. Still a very difficult day for everything in the market. 0.000072 by the end of the day. Shiba Torpedo, let's get it, Tony. I'm working with anesthetic stuff right now. So if I don't say anything in like an hour, call someone because I passed out. I got you, man. I got you. I don't know who to call, but we will definitely call somebody. If Devil's Advocate does not say anything within the next hour, you guys better keep tabs on that. We're going to have to call somebody. You think any technical analysis to make you think so, or are you just talking out of your rear end? Nothing is real. Are we talking about the fact that I think it's going to bounce today, or what were you referring to? I want to make sure that I'm addressing the correct question, because, I mean, there's a difference, yes. Sometimes I'm hopeful, and I guess you could interpret that as me talking out of my rear end, or I could be basing it on levels of support and resistance and so on. So I just want to make sure that I got your question correctly there. Why would somebody sell when it's just listed on Kraken? Gulmiras, here's the reason, okay? A lot of people like to buy the rumor and sell the news. Some people like to buy that hype and then get out when it's actually occurring, or when the news actually comes to fruition. That could be one reason. Another reason is this might not be a correlated sell-off between the listing on Kraken and a decline in Shiba. It might have more to do with the fact that Powell was talking about the coronavirus and probably got everybody scared again and told everybody how much money we're spending and how it's going to take hundreds of years to make this money back and get the economy back to normal and stuff like that. So he may have scared a bunch of people into selling off, not only in the stock market, but in the crypto market as well. So that could have had something to do with that. Is most likely what it had to do with, not just the Kraken listing and the sell-off there. Do you think that Shiba can hit the 1 cent mark, and if so, when? So yes, I do. I do think that Shiba can reach a valuation of around, with the current supply, that would be 5 trillion. I still think that is possible long term. I'm talking long term, 5-10 years down the road, to see a $5 trillion valuation in something like Shiba. I think as the metaverse and more people start to accept cryptocurrencies, and it just builds up the entire crypto market, I think that's going to be a huge impact on the overall acceptance and the overall market valuation of all cryptocurrencies. But aside from that, if we burn supply, that's the only way it's going to happen sooner than that. We need to burn a drastic amount of the supply. So if we burn 80%, you're talking about reaching a penny at $1 trillion valuation, the current valuation of Bitcoin. I don't think we would need as much time to get there, but I still think we need time to get there. Another late day in the chat. Been doing fall cleanup, cutting down grasses, cleaning up mulch beds. Lots of time to talk, so I've been distracted. How about that NFT talk? Yeah, let's get more NFT talk in here so I can tell you to take pictures of your DVDs, Chris. A volume is up, but the price is down. What the heck? Yeah. So Gomira, that means volume up, price down, means you have a lot of people selling right now. A lot of people kind of panicking a little bit. A lot of people trying to get out of their position. And high volume doesn't always mean high price. High volume means higher momentum, higher volatility. Wrestler, should we fight this man or woman for coming to play sideways? My boy will literally beat you with an eggplant. You better mind your tongue. No. You don't need to fight anybody. I don't even know what they could have asked their question in a different way if they wanted an answer. I think they were just trying to have a little bit of fun. I don't know. As long as people keep making videos about it, typing it will stay interesting. The new people getting into crypto year round. Yeah, Caleb, I think as long as the conversation stays relevant, I think a lot of people will continue to buy and will continue to add to their position. So you saw a lot of that with Dogecoin back in May. Everybody was making videos, man. Everybody wanted to talk about Dogecoin. And although Shiba Inu ran in May as well, Dogecoin kind of stole the spotlight. So if that sort of activity continues, then more and more people will continue to become interested and see and hear the name and hear the term and want to get into it. I've lost a lot of money in AMC right now. Will it keep going down or will it go up again anytime soon? So, Barkakugan 2.0, sorry if I hacked that name up. Price prediction, my bro. No, I haven't given a price predictions yet. So, AMC falling. Let's take a look at that really quick. AMC falling, sitting at 32, I think it was 32.90. Let's pull it up. 32.88. This is what we're looking at right here. This is a daily graph, okay? Now, in this daily graph, you can see that we have broken out of this ascending trend line, of this wedge where we were hitting higher highs, or higher lows, and lower highs. That wedge has been broken to the downside. Now, this was a level of support. This $35.50, $36 per share area was a level of support. We have broken that. We have come down here and we have broken support at $34.50. We are currently at this line right here, which is a little level of support that we touched back here in July, and we also touched it back here in August. So we have two touches on the current level of support. Beyond this, if the downward momentum continues, if the sell-off continues, the next major level of support that should hold up. If not, it's going to get dangerous. Okay, I'm not going to lie. If not, it's going to be a pretty steep decline if you're looking at technical analysis. So right now we are at this level of support. Below this 32.50 area that we're kind of in right here, $30 per share is this white line. This is the minimum. This is the lowest we hit after the bull run that we had back in June. This is the bottom of the bull flag or bull pennant or whatever you want to call it. And that's kind of like the line in the sand. Because below this, guys, we've got one day where we were at 26.50 right in here. I believe that was a Friday. And then below that, $20, which was very hard to break through. And then you're talking $14.50 again. So this $30 line is going to be very significant if we can continue, or if we continue this downward action right here. Let's have another AMC. Should we sell? So Steve-O, I'm not selling, and I don't think that we should sell. I base that on my, kind of like my decision and my thought process. I'm in AMC stock for the short squeeze. I'm not in AMC for the day-to-day action. I'm not in AMC for the short-term gains, anything like that. I am simply in AMC because I want to see the shorts cover. Now, if we get people who are scared and the shorts do go to cover and AMC only runs back up to $60, $70 a share again, I was there. I was there when they covered. If AMC covers and people do what they say they're going to do and it runs up to $500, $600, $700, I was there. I was there when they covered. But I do not care. My price average on AMC is like $13. So I do not care about what we're at right now. I got in for the reason of a short squeeze, and I plan on holding until the shorts cover. So it is as simple as that for me. I've made my decision on it, and that's why I stay in. If you guys got in for another reason, got in for a different reason, you think it's going to continue coming down, or so on, you know, that's the choice you're going to have to make. But you have to understand why you're holding and what you're doing. If you're going to get out now, people always want to get out at levels of support. If you're going to get out now, I would wait to see what it does below this 32, and then maybe get out at below 32 and try to get back in at 30 if you're going to do that. Or really, if it breaks this 30, you know, yeah, you're going to lose a couple more dollars per share, but I mean, that's a more dangerous break down here at 30 if it breaks that. But you know, still, I'm in it for the short squeeze. I'm holding until the shorts cover. If it falls back down to $12 a share and then the shorts cover, I'm still in. You know, I could have got out at 30 and got back in at 12. Yeah, sure, but I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know when they're going to cover. I just know they have to cover. In conclusion, Santa Claus, because of the stock market, he's always here, he's always watching, and he has a glorious beard. Dude, one of these days, 50 years from now, I might have to play Santa Claus. I might have to do like the mall Santa Claus. I just had like a flash forward to 50 years from now. I don't even know if there's going to be malls in the Santa. Santa's in the malls, not malls in the Santa. I don't even know if there's going to be Santas in the malls 50 years from now. I have to play Santa like in the metaverse or something. Will there even be malls 50 years from now? It's all going to be metaverse, man. Looking forward to seeing the short interest after this. Oh my gosh, Pringleton. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, man. I did look up short interest this morning, not on Ortex, but from Fintel, and it was still around 17%, 87 million shares. So I know we haven't had an Ortex update in quite some time, but I did look on Fintel, and we were sitting around that 17%, 87 million shares. Be wise of inflation. Stock cash is trash. Don't sell this inflation business is leveled out. Crypto, stocks, property, whatever you can, but the dollars are being washed. Share Woody does not like losing money to inflation, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you invest in something that gives you a decent return. 50 years from now, I'll be the only one here still alive. Dude, you might be right, man. You might be right. The question is, man, will you remember us? I hope the answer is yes. Will you remember us? Still, will you tell your grandkids? I remember Clay, bro, and the bro family out there. They got us to where we are today. It's just a wonderful world we live in. I think Knock just really didn't want a brochure. Pringleton, think about that, man. Dude never even came back. Nick, yeah. Nick, Knock, Patty Whack, give a dog a bone. Yeah, Knock never even came back, dude. I like it. Now his name is Knock. He's going to wonder, like, when he does come back, he's going to be like, why in the world do you guys call me Knock? And I'm like, well, Pringleton called you Knock. As long as there are drunken mall Santas, the Christmas spirit lives on. Nick respawns. They're not drunk. They're just having a good time, man. It's holiday cheer. Click. Last one. Just before the washed comment. Oh, man, Chris. Click. Are NFTs just essentially trade like shares? There are just not pieces of a company just for anything, really. Yeah. So similar to that, man. But they're actually a little bit different. And they're different in the fact that you can never own a portion of an NFT. So they do trade kind of like shares, but with a share, if you wanted to, you could go out and buy a couple dollars worth of AMC. You don't need to buy one full share of AMC. You can actually own a portion of AMC. With an NFT, you always have to own the NFT, the full NFT. You can't sell half an NFT to somebody. You can't split up the NFT in quarters or eighths or sixteenths or anything. It is always one full NFT. So let's say the value of your NFT does go up to $10,000 for whatever reason. If it goes up there, you can't sell 1,000 to me, 1,000 to Devil's Advocate, 1,000 to Pringleton, 1,000 to AMC Trapper, and so on down the line until you get that 10,000. You have to sell the whole NFT. That's the non-fungible part of the token. They can never be split up. Kraken was a flop. Ken, I don't know if Kraken was necessarily a flop. We did see a nice run in Shiba on the news of the Kraken listing, but I don't think that Kraken is flopping. I think the fact that Powell was talking about the coronavirus and some other stuff really did not go over well with the market, and that's why we're seeing a pullback, not just in Shiba, man, but literally everything across the board. I'd like to know if khaki bomber jackets are available on the Bro merch store. Dog, they are currently not available on the Bro merch store. PD Pete, yes, man. Now this is what I'm talking about, PD Pete. Let's get it. You guys ready for this? I know you guys are ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're ready. Oh, PD Pete, oh, PD Pete, oh, PD Pete. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Last one, you better do it with me. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, Petey. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Oh, Petey, 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 Pete. Petey Pete, man, thank you for the Petey Pete, brightening everybody's day up there, man. I love it. I hope some of you guys are able to do that with me. I don't care if you're sitting in a cubicle right now, if you're sitting at your desk, if you're out in the warehouse, what you got going on. If you're mowing the lawn and cleaning up some mulch beds, Chris, I hope you guys are able to do a little bit of the Petey Pete just to brighten the day of everybody around you. Petey Pete, man, thank you very much. Strategist says, stop, bro. Oh, no, I can't stop. Nobody can stop the PD Pete, man. Nobody can do it. Stack Ape Nation with the salt shaker. You guys, salt tastes so good, so you got to pour the salt out. And for good luck, you got to throw it over your shoulder. And because salt does taste so good, and it's good for you, you take some and you just... Oh, man, but it always gets in your eye. You got to keep the shaker closer to your mouth. Stacks, dude, thank you very much for the salt shaker. Really appreciate that, man. The Devil's Advocate, boom, fist bump to you. I want to be my alarm in the morning. Devil's Advocate, do it, dude. Do it. I could just call you up I could FaceTime you every morning and wake you up with a PD Pete. Loving Alejandro and Pete, some tasty dips. Oh, yes. Yo, what's good? Mike, how you doing, man? What's up, Trapper? How you doing? Stacks, boom. I'm selling Shiba Inu. A good bounce to short. Sheesh, possibly, man, but I would never recommend shorting Shiba Inu, dude. If you shorted Shiba Inu, especially if you're using margin, you're probably gonna bust your account. I don't know, in like a 2-day period. I did a PDP on the toilet. Very nice, Samuel. Very nice. Love it, bro. Stacks. Love you, man. Thank you for being here. You made my day, bro. Bless. That's what I'm talking about. It was the PDP that made your day, man. It was the PDP that made your day, not me. Click. Be ready to make 2022 the best year ever. Can't wait to hear that. Love the enthusiasm. See you tomorrow. Dominic, man. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. It's gonna be crazy, man. I guarantee I messed that up. I guarantee, and sometimes I probably won't even realize I'm messing it up until like February of 2022. I'll probably be like, yeah, we're here to make 2021 the best year ever. And meanwhile, it's like January 18th, 2022. So you guys are gonna have to cut me some slack if I jack that part up in the video, because I almost guarantee that it happens. Wake up with a PDP, and if I were gonna what or fight, but I'm interested. What? Yes, let's do it, man. One or the other. Both of them sound good to me, so let's get started. Turning off the phone for now. Really didn't need this AMC drop today. Disheartening. So much manipulation, even in a red market. Nobody is selling in price points. Johnstontown, yeah, it is definitely rough, man, but we are bouncing back a little bit right now. I know it's not much. Bouncing back a little bit. Shiba and AMC going up nicely together, but we do, I can blame it on Powell, because Powell was the only thing that could possibly be affecting the overall market today. But at the same time, man, it happens. It happens. Longer term, I think we'll be good. Samuel, I hear doing the PD Pete on the toilet helps the guess you're crazy, man. I'm an island boy. I'm a PD Pete, man. What's a good share amount for AMC? Easy does it. You know, that's completely up to you. A good share amount, you can look at it in a couple ways, okay? One, what are you willing to risk, and how comfortable are you holding that amount? So if you're looking at it that way, you're going to say, well, you know what? 50 shares of AMC, I feel comfortable holding 50 shares of AMC. I can get into them. I don't have to worry too much if they go up or down. If it's slow for a while, I'm not going to get upset, and so on. You can look at it like that and say, okay, well, that's the maximum that I feel comfortable holding. Or you can say, well, you know what? I really believe that AMC is going to go up to $500, $1,000 when the shorts finally go to cover. And you could say, okay, $1,000, I want to make $1 million. So I want 1,000 shares. $1,000 times 1,000 shares is $1 million. So then you would have to say, well, can I afford 1,000 shares? And that's a different story. If you were to get 1,000 shares when it was $2 a share, sure, man, maybe you could afford 1,000 shares of it. But sitting at $34 or $33 a share might be a different story right now. So there's a lot of different routes you can go down with your thought process, but it's just going to be whatever is you're most comfortable with and which could most likely meet your goals. This is the dip before the rip. Hold on, fam, not financial advice. Yeah, man, this could be a dip before rip. I would imagine when this stuff does recover, it's going to recover nicely. I would imagine we're going to have a decent balance in the overall market, too. Man, a whale bought 48 trillion Shiba. What? Dude, 48 trillion Shiba, 4x4. That is a lot, dude. That's a lot of Shiba. When did they buy that? Smash that like button. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button, please. I don't even know what we're at right now. Let's pull up YouTube here and see how many likes you guys actually came with. That better load. That says 15. Okay, 116. Yeah, that says 116. Oh, did we hit 65? Because I looked this morning and I was not at 65. Nick F, did we hit 65, guys? For real? I'm going to go out and look at that. Because I was not at 65 this morning. So if we are at 65 right now, thank you guys very much. Really appreciate that. Yes, we are at 65, guys. Very nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, sweet. Content. We're going to go back out to there. Thank you guys for clicking that subscribe button. Really appreciate all of you. We're going to do a wrench giveaway. We're going to do a wrench giveaway right now. Spam the chat really quick. We're going to give a wrench away. Come on. Let's go. Spam. Get a quick spam going on. We'll give a wrench away. Celebrate 50. Well, we have over 100 likes, but we're also going to celebrate that 65. 65 confirmed. Yes, AMC Trapper. We do have it. Honestly, Prog being green right now is super impressive in my opinion. Oh, dude. Anything being green today is going to be super impressive. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got spam in the chat, spam in the chat, spam in the chat, spam in the chat. And let's see here. Who's this? Add moderator? Who was it? Interesting. Never seen that name before. You know what we're going to do? Keep spamming. We're going to give another one. I don't even know I don't even know if they're going to talk. They spam Zombie Inu. So I think that I'm probably not even going to talk in here. Come on. Do we get it? Dude, how does this guy win so often? Alright, Earth and Spirit. Nice. You got the wrench for 65K. And Mr. Simon got the wrench for 100 likes. I don't understand how this dude... He must spam a lot. Because that's not his first time winning on the wrench spam. Yeah, it's not his first time winning on the wrench spam. 4x4! Thank you very much, 4x4. Really appreciate that super chat, man. Guys, don't be afraid to send a super chat during the spam. I'll go back and see them. Thank you very much, 4x4, man. Really appreciate that. Yo, Simon. And we've got Earth and Spirit with a wrench for the rest of the day. Very nice, guys. I like it. Mr. Simon might be hacking. I don't know, because that's like his third time winning a giveaway wrench, which is a little weird to me that one person has won that often. I don't know. Raul, yes, 65K. We made it to 65. Guys, be honest. Okay. We got to do a poll. Since I love YouTube polls, we got to do a poll right here. And I want you to be completely honest. It's not going to hurt my feelings either way. Okay. All right, there we go. Answer that one. I need to know right now. Since we just passed 65K, December starts tomorrow. 35,000. Let me know. Let me know right now. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you say no. If you say yes, I'm going to believe in you. But either way, I want to know what you guys think. Because I'll be completely honest. If the 300 people in here just shared a live stream or a video on their Twitters and Twitters and Facebooks, I think we make it. I think we make it. But we'll see. 100K subscribers, man. Subscribers. 100K subscribers by the end of the year. We need 35,000 to get there in this month. Do we make it or do we not make it? Before we spammed, I commented that the Island Boys were more annoying than Shiba Hype, and Earth and Spirit's first blue wrench comment was discussing Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu. You liked it. You like the Island Boys and their Shiba Inu songs. I know you do. I would gladly give you a taco today for a wrench tomorrow. Boot bump. I will accept it. 100,000 AMC. Yeah, that's the... Can I edit a poll? Because you guys are thinking 100,000 AMC. No, 100,000 subs. I should have typed in subs. I should have typed in subscribers, but I didn't. Oh, this is a close one, man. This is a close one. I'm going to leave this one up for another minute because you guys are at 63-37. You guys are very close on this one. Okay. We're split. Clay, I'm going to drop 100 now if you do a vote on what to buy. Sure would. I actually can't do a poll on that because I can't type in like 50 different options. But yeah, if you guys want to help Sherwood out there and tell them what to buy, be my guest, man. And don't forget to vote because you guys are awfully close with that 63-37, 100,000 in 2021. In this month, yeah, hard. That's what I'm saying, Raul. It's gonna be hard, dude. It's gonna be hard. That's why I'm like, we're right at the end of the year. Time is ticking down. What's it gonna be? Claybro NFT. Let's get it. Someone said I'm a bot. Earth and Spirit. You're not a bot, are you? Hit all-time highs on a. Yeah, Nick F. I'm also thinking that, man. If Shiba and AMC start to run at the end of the year, I think we could snag that 100,000 for sure. I think it's going to depend a lot on what the stuff does, though. 100,000 subs, 35,000, 30,000. No, Clay, bro. Those that say yes, just like you. Well, Michael, it's possible, man. But I will let you know, in November, I walked away with somewhere around 25. So there was a nice run-up from the end of October through November. So I don't know if it's like nearly impossible because we hit 25 in, I'd say, like the last 5 or 6 weeks. The real question is, will CFB hit 1,000 subs in 2021? Pop over and hit the subscribe button. That is the real question. Buy Shiba and stack them, baby. Stack them. And join the ride of Shiba. Me too. So we get 63-37. You guys are nice, man. Ending the poll on that one. Thank you guys very much for participating. Really appreciate that. Top 100 Western movies. Oh, man. Don't be spamming. Why you guys got to spam like that? Click! Real talk, you've been growing a lot lately, and I'd imagine with the giveaways you have planned that honestly it doesn't only seem possible, but likely. I hope so, man. I hope so. Giveaways start tomorrow, guys. Like, if you did not know that, if you did not know the giveaways start tomorrow, giveaways start tomorrow. All right, 25 days of Christmas. If you guys don't win something in December, you either have really bad luck or you just didn't want to win. Like, one of those two. You either have really bad luck or you did not want to win. And, like, those are the only two explanations. Clibro, I called the cup and handle. Lex! I don't know. Lex, you talking, like, longer-term cup and handle? Because I remember people talking about a longer-term cup and handle, but I don't remember if you were talking about one today. We are now down to 64,999, so Cisbro unsubbed. My arch nemesis since day one. she didn't unsub. She would never do that. She probably told her entire class to unsubscribe. Let's go. Let's do it. Jan, how you doing? Mic should be fixed next week with the new setup. Facts, dude. Facts. The microphone actually might already be at Best Buy. I probably could go pick that up. But I don't want to make like 6 trips to Best Buy, so I'm just going to go pick it all up. But yeah, like I get everything on Saturday, so everything should be hooked up. I hope for the live stream on Monday. I don't understand why it wouldn't be, but I hope by the live stream on Monday everything's hooked up because it all is supposed to be delivered, you know, barring any supply chain interruptions. We should be good this weekend. Everyone here put $10 on Shiba right now. Get it, Samuel. What's the price so low? I think with the price so low, I think you should do AMC giveaway as soon as possible. AMC Trapper. We could do an AMC giveaway. We could do one of those, man. We could do some Shiba giveaways. We could do some AMC giveaways as well, man. Yes, Zombie Inu, Earth and Spirit wants Zombie Inu. I'm 1 million Shiba holder. Very nice, Jan. I love it. Clear, I was referring to the current cup and handle on AMC. Gotcha. So this kind of action we got. Talking like this right here. This little cup right here. Yeah, I'm just glad it's bouncing back a little bit, man. That's good news. Golly bum, dude. Farmy still down 24.38 right now. AMC 33.90. GameStop 190. Look at the red. Oh no. MMAT sitting at 350. CEI fun. Tesla. Oh man, Prague green on the day. Prague is resilient. Prague's like the Hulk, man. Can't go wrong with Prague. I'm quite honest when I say I was the only one who really pushed the bro merch giveaway. Divvy Dog. Facts, dude. Facts. You do push hard on the bro merch. I'm not gonna lie. I like it, man. It's dedication. Shows you got heart, man. It does. Did you pre-order the Spider-Man ticket for the NFT giveaway? I did not, Chimpman Z. I did not. Want to see the new computer? Yeah, Mark. So I can show you guys the new computer I can either show you on Twitter or I could probably do a live stream, like show you during the live stream when it's set up. But I won't have the new computer until I think Saturday, December 4th, which is a Saturday. So unless something happens where it comes in earlier, it comes in later, everything is supposed to be delivered December 4th. I'll do some new egg products giveaway. Dude, like how much you expect me to go out there and do like a Ryzen 7 CPU giveaway? A $350 giveaway? I'll tell you what. Oh man, that's dangerous, dude. That's dangerous. You guys are making me a little freaky, dude. 100,000 by Christmas. I don't know. 100,000 by Christmas. We could start talking serious Christmas present giveaway. I could live stream for like a half hour on Christmas. We could do like a serious Christmas giveaway. But now you guys got me thinking. I don't know. Oh man. I don't know. Let me think about that one. We'll have to call that early, because if you guys are messing around, then okay, we won't have to do a Christmas giveaway. But if you guys are really trying to share this stuff, I'll know too. In the first week of December, I'm gonna know if you guys are actually sharing the stuff out there and trying to win stuff in the giveaways. If you are, I might push it, dude. We can do like a serious Christmas giveaway. If that's the case. Handyman, hold on, buddy. We all down. Yeah, we're all down today, man. Everything's red today. If you hit 100,000 subs, if Shiba hits 0.0001, Lewis, I think that we would have. That would definitely increase the chances. This is making me mad. Handyman, yeah, it's making everybody mad. Nobody likes the red, dude. It's all right, though. I calculated that Grandpa Barney could own at least 50 bro hoodies with the super chats. Very nice, Diffy Dog. Green candles in my stocking, please. That's exactly what I want on my stocking as well, man. Nothing but green candles all day, every day. With the amount of red candles that we've been having lately, I think we are definitely due for some serious green candles. A nice bounce already, guys. 32.76 all the way back up above $34 per share on AMC. Really nice bounce there. Shiba bouncing off 4,500, coming all the way back to 4,700. Prague trading sideways, up 4% on the day. GameStop down to 191 today. Farming sitting at 24.80. I like that. Bounce back above 25. MMAT still sitting it sideways at 350 per share. Good deal. Clever, December 4th is also the 1-year anniversary of me quitting smoking. Frank, congratulations, man. That's incredible. That's incredible. Nobody in my family has ever really smoked, but my grandpa, okay? My grandpa said that he used to smoke. And Pap, if you're listening right now, shout out to you. Glad that you're hanging out with us. Dude, I love my grandpa so much, man. This dude's the man. All right, if you don't think that you've got a stubborn grandpa, or if you think that you've got one, I forget what the deal was. Okay, but like I forget the whole story. All I know is that he was young. He never smoked when I knew him, but he was young, smoked cigarettes. And somebody said something to him sometime or whatever. And just because he wanted to prove them wrong, or just because he said something, he said, "All right, well, you know what? That's it." And he carried a cigarette around, never smoked it, just to prove that, like cold turkey. People say it can't be done. Cold turkey. Well, you know what? Yeah, you don't think I can do it? Guess what? I can absolutely do it. Quit smoking just like that, just because he wanted to. Like just because. I don't even know if he really wanted to, but just because he wanted to prove somebody wrong or something. So that was huge. And then I also think one time, just to like go along with the stubbornness, I think one time this was a long time ago too, my grandma told him that he was watching the TV too loud or something, and he didn't watch TV for over a year. Oh, classic. I love you, Grandpa. Hope you're watching right now. Going a year without TV just because somebody said you were watching it too loud or something. It's dedication, man. It's too late to buy mana. I don't think it's too late to buy mana. I don't think it's too late to buy any crypto for that matter, even if you're talking about Bitcoin. I think they all have long-term potential. All in the mindset. Woman, it is all in the mindset, man. If you want to do something, you will do it. I'm sure Grandpa Barney feels the same way sometimes, though, when he wakes up and doesn't want to go to work. That dude says, you know what, I'm going to go to work today. And then he goes to work. You can absolutely do it. Grand Bro. Yes, we got Grand Bro in the chat, man. Never bought back in. Samuel never bought back in on something. Sorry, man, it's dipping right now. Cold turkey requires one to be stubborn. Yes, Mark, it definitely would, man. It definitely would. Have your grandpa buy AMC and tell him you don't think he can hold it forever. Nick, yeah, he probably could. He does have a Weeble account now. He is holding Shiba, but he doesn't have any AMC. But my mom is probably just as stubborn, dude. She says she's holding AMC forever. Tire market bouncing now. Let's get it, Steven. Let's get it. OOM. Out of the money. Maybe. I thought you were supposed to support, not try to get my share stacks. Maybe. Don't know what you're talking about. Bounce, bounce. Let's get it. Sure, Woody just quit my job through the panic anxiety attacks. And seeing AMC dumping made my day worse. El Campo. Everything is dumping now, though. It's not just AMC. It's a market pullback because of Mr. Powell talking. I don't know who he was testifying to, but he was testifying on the CARES Act and the coronavirus this morning, like its effect on the economy and things like that. So clearly investors did not like what he had to say. The market was falling because of it. Hopefully we get out of it now. Out of mana. Gotcha, JB. No, that's incorrect. Pugnacious. Could be, man. I don't know what you're talking about. I feel everyone needs that thing that hits a nerve to motivate you. Made a deal with my mom in high school about biting my nails. Same as your grandpa. Instantly quit just for that bet. Chris, and you know what, man? Maybe it wasn't like, yeah, and I don't know if just making a bet with your mom would do the same thing. Like, if you're going to do that, I think a part of you may have wanted to quit anyway. But you're right, dude. Sometimes there's things that just snap, and people go completely 180 and never look back. I love that. I love that, man. Because that to me just proves if you're having a tough time, if you're having a bad day, a bad week, a bad year, you think you got a bad life, dude, all of a sudden, just one thing can happen, and everything can be 180'd, and you'll never look back. And that should at least provide some sort of motivation and hope. And dude, if you've got hope, you can do tomorrow. You can do next week. You can do next year. If you've got hope, you've got everything you need, man. Wow, this market is so bad. Tommy, yes, this market is bad today. Mana potions for sale, 100 gold coins. Frank, I got 90 gold coins, man. I'll give you a mana potion for 90 gold coins. No, I'll give you 90 gold coins for a mana potion. I'm not giving you the mana potion. 100%. Exactly, Brian. I was able to quit smoking because I had kids. John, I love it, dude. I love it. And, you know, I've never smoked, so I don't know what sort of an addiction that is or what it takes to quit smoking. Clearly, with the amount of people that say how difficult it is, I know it's not easy to do. But that is awesome, man. I'm so glad you did. Frank, man, same deal for you. December 4th, 1 year without it. I love it, dude. Sean, can we put the Doge run next to the Shiba run? Yeah, maybe. Are you talking about the Doge run in March? I mean in May? Let's see if we can do this real quick. Let's do it both up here. Let's go Doge daily. Might be difficult. Might be difficult to see on here. Shiba daily. Shiba doesn't go back to May on here. So you're not going to be able to see that actually. Dang it. No. Why can I not get a daily chart? Oh, there we go. Ah, dude, I don't want to clean this whole graph up. So, no, we can't see the May graph on Webull because Shiba was not listed on Webull until about July. So, unfortunately, I can't see that run up, and Doge did not run up in October. But if you want to see the similarity between the run up back here in April and May, and then here, October, November, this is what it would look like. And I really don't want to take all these lines off, but we can take some of them off. We don't need all of them on here. So this is what it would have looked like, man. This is the run up back in May, the April and May, the Doge had. And then similar, definitely not the same, similar. So back in April, Doge ran up, pulled back a little bit, and then was able to run up again. Beginning of October, Shiba ran up to around 3,500 points per coin, pulled back to around 2,700 before steadying off, and then running up again. And then look, steadying down now, bounced. Steadying down after that run up, bounced. We may see if it happens the exact way that Doge did, right? That's what you gotta have to worry about there. Bounced. If this is the same bounce that we're seeing in Shiba, we can continue to consolidate afterwards if it follows the same pattern that Doge had. And then some relatively lackluster activity from 20 cents to 30 cents per share. And, you know, Shiba hasn't been trading nearly as long. So that's what you're looking at there. If you're looking at the run-up in Doge versus the run-up in Shiba, two different time frames, clearly, but notable similarities. Apish on AMC. Yes, one Telegram. JB, I don't know when Telegram, man. What do I need a Telegram for? Adam Aaron meeting. We got a meeting with Adam Aaron today. Shiba back to 46 again. WTF, man. Yeah, Shiba back to 46 right now. Listen, overall market not having a good day today. It's not going to be super easy to sustain these gains. What's the best app for a daily trade? Joel, depends where you're from, man. I like Webull. If you want to use the link in the description below for Webull, absolutely do it. For crypto as well, they don't have nearly as many cryptos as a lot of other platforms do, but for stockbrokers, I'd say they have among the most cryptos available for trade. Do you think Shiba could be a long hold coin with real world utility? Yes, I absolutely do. Real world utility is going to come from demand. And the Shiba Inu army, the SHIB army is absolutely demanding that retailers all across the globe accept Shiba Inu. And they are, okay? And they are. So that is an excellent indicator that we've got longer term utilization with retailers. Now, aside from that, we know that Shiba Inu is working on a metaverse of their own. and gaming platforms of their own. So it could be going in that direction as well. A lot of exciting stuff for Shiba in the future. Crypto, I mean Shiba. Something. Have you guys seen the gas fees if you try to transfer cryptos from Binance to Kraken? I have not tried to transfer from Binance to Kraken. The patient hodl, yes they do. What demand? Truth. The demand. What did I say? So it's the demand to use it. So let's use Adam Aaron with AMC, and let's use Newegg, for example. So Adam Aaron simply asked the question, would you be willing or would you want to see AMC accept Shiba Inu as a form of payment? Clearly, the response was overwhelming, and they did. Retailers look at it as this. They look at it this way. If somebody's willing to pay in Shiba Inu coin, and we don't have to hold Shiba Inu coin, we can transfer it to dollars immediately, we could potentially gain a new customer because they are willing to buy a ticket with Shiba Inu that they would be unwilling to buy with their dollars. Therefore, we could increase our revenue and increase our sales because we're willing to increase the ways we accept money. So they do that and they accept it. Newegg goes out there. Now Newegg's accepting it because they know a lot of people are now Shiba millionaires. They have millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu coin, and they could be willing to buy, whatever they want on Newegg, really. But they could be willing to buy anything from Newegg, so they're accepting it. Guys, I don't think it's going to be ridiculous in the near term to see nearly all retailers accepting cryptocurrencies, maybe not willing to hold cryptocurrencies, but willing to accept it as a form of payment. Greg, you are not a portfolio manager? Shut it. Greg, baby. Come on. Greg, baby. Are you a portfolio manager, Greg? Do you manage your own portfolio? Hold your AMC. That life-changing money is coming. Don't give up. I love it, Danelle. Yes, guys, the life-changing money is on its way. The more hedge funds send shills, the more AMC I desperately want to buy. Matthew. Gotta get it, dude. Gotta get it while it's on sale. In the metaverse, Sis Bro would actually get paid for her labor with crypto. She could, man. She could get paid with crypto in the metaverse. Dude, bro. The dude. The bro. Jason, what's going on, man? The GFI has leveled off. Stag, MPW, and IRM have recovered. Market walking up. Looks like financial, energy, and real estate lead the way. Let's get it, Frank. We got, what do we got here? Farming back up a little bit, down 3% on the day. AMC down 7%, up to 33.97. GameStop 193 was $191 a minute ago. MMAT sitting at 352, still sideways, trading around 350. Can't seem to break that. CEI sitting at $117. Fun 294. Tesla 1136. Prague still green on the day, albeit 2.5% right now. Still green on the day. Love it. And Shiba Inu bouncing back up to 47.40 right now. Very nice, guys. The bro abides. Current condition. Crypto equals Shiba. Let's get it, Raul. The Greg baby guy was weird. I didn't actually see what he was saying because I was responding to truths. I was responding to the truth statement there. But I didn't see what Greg had to say, man. Greg, sorry if you're out there. Give it a 7th time before I explode and mute the crap out of everybody. Oh, no! Simon's got a blue wrench today, man, so you better watch out. Let's see here. I agree. Greg Baby is very smart. Sell your AMC now and hurry and sell your AMC. My Thailand. Oh my gosh. My Thailand agrees with Greg Baby. I have seen that if you ask them nicely to go away, most of the time they stop pretty quickly. Oh, sweet. Okay. If there are any, I don't know, people who just want to cause problems in the chat or bots in the chat, or, I mean, I understand, like, you're okay if you're just a little unstable and emotional, like, that's fine. But if your whole intention is to cause problems or scam or spam, just, this is me nicely asking you to go away. Just stop. Just be a good person today. Simple as that. We'll see if it works, man. We'll see if it works. My Thailand, please stop. There you go. Carlos, I love it. Simon, I'm not aware of an app that can screen record and record the audio. What do you mean, dude? Yeah, they got apps like that. Record the audio on the screen or record through your microphone? I think you might have both, man. Yeah, because there's like I think it's like DJ something screen recorder or something like that. It's the orange one. Pretty sure that does it. My wife said hi. Nostalgic. Hello to your wife. How you doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing great. I love the stock. What can I say? Yes. Clint, you're not my real dad. Pugnacious. Well, I guess only time will tell, man. Let's bring on the test. Bring on the test and we'll see. I never mean drama, but I feel pretty smart and like to learn, so I'll debate the crap out of a topic. Dude, I'll debate the crap out of anything, so. Record audio and screen is available for free at stalker.com. Boom. Nice. There you go. Get that one. I'm trying to record a piece of a video including audio. Mr. Simon. Yeah, so if you want to do that, I think you can. It's DJI or DJU screen recorder. I'm pretty sure that should work for you. It's the orange one. It's the orange one. It's got like a little. The last time I looked at it, it's a little icon of a camera. It's orange. Should work for you. You might be able to do it. Or are you on your computer trying to do it? Are you on your computer? If you're on your computer, I don't know. Who's trying to debate? I'll take you all on. No, I'll take you on. I'll take you on, dude. Don't call me the master debater for nothing. Jeez, dude, devil's advocate. What do you know about that? You're like amateur level. Amateur, man. I'm master level. Thoughts on Web 3.0, my friend? I don't know everything that Web 3.0 is going to be capable of. I don't know. I've seen a lot of people excited about it, but I haven't looked into it enough to know that what it's all capable of. Touch your mic, Kraken. My speaker's bad. Boom! Probably my mic, man. The Devils. Which debate? Let's get it. Someone needs to tell Kenny we aren't selling. Yes, I will tell him. Kenny, we're not selling, dude. We're gonna work. I'm gonna get to work, y'all. I will see you guys later. Have a blessed day. Matthew, man, make sure to come back at 3 o'clock, please. I thought Wrestler was the master of that. I don't know. He might be. Wrestler, are you in here? Are you the master? Not selling. Neither am I. Are you strong manning us, bro? Maybe? I could be? Yes. Is Mr. Boom Boom spamming? If not, cause the AMC Short Squeeze is the reason we are all keeping AMC. If not, because the AMC Short Squeeze is the reason we are all keeping AMC. Yes, become a bro. Do it, guys. Click the become a bro button. That join button or the subscribe button. Either one works. On my phone, I tried Super Screen Recorder, but it is not recording the audio of the video. Yeah, so try, I think it's DJU or DJI. I don't know exactly, I forget what it is because I haven't used it in a long time. But it's the orange one. It's the orange icon. It should work for you. How do you become a bro? AMC Trapper. Excellent question, man. Click the subscribe button first. That's the easiest way to become a bro. If you want a green name in the chat, you got to click the join button. It's either, you get the little icon next to your name, and if you're on Android, you can click the join button. If you're on iPhone, you got to copy and paste the link in the description below where it says join the channel, become a bro. Then you get a green name, you get the icon, all that good stuff. You get some galley yet? I have not. I have not. Wrestler, because you said that, I'll make sure to come back just to bother you. Nice, Matthew. Nice. Let's see here. Click just said Master Debater. I see what you did there. Diffy Dog. Diffy Dog, man. I will debate anybody on any subject. I am the master. I am. Wrestler, because you said that, I already saw that. Good. I tried to join, but it wouldn't let me. Pugnacious, why not, man? I want you to join. I want you to get that green name. You're in here all the time. I want you to get that green name, dude. Honestly, I think theaters will end one day, and people will just start doing home theaters. At least that's what I'm gonna do. I just buy a popcorn machine. Wait, already have one. Chris, man, everybody's got a popcorn machine if they got a stove. Let's see. I do watch not a lot of movies, but I really enjoy watching a movie at home, eating some popcorn, enjoying that. Movie theaters, I don't know if they're ever really going to go away, because clearly my TV is not as big as a movie theater screen, but what am I going to do about that? Outdoor Smile! You guys know what we need to see right now. 333 welcome Outdoor Smiles in the chat right now. I'm indoors, and this is my smile. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for becoming a bro. Really appreciate that, man. Guys, all of you guys. I don't see anybody. I see like 3 people welcoming Outdoor Smile. There's 342 of you in here. If you're afraid to type in the chat, please do not be afraid to welcome somebody who grabs a green name. So I want to see everybody welcoming Outdoor Smile into the chat right now. Thank you so much, Outdoor. I'm a 6-month member chat the other day, but my icon is not the 6-month icon. Thoughts? Interesting. Could be broken. Could be broken, JB. I don't know about that. Has anybody else had that happen? Yo! Eli and Dad's phone. What's going on? Welcome, buddy. Thank you very much, Sherwood. Welcome, SD. Thank you. My pleasure. Absolutely. Dude, it's my pleasure. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much. Not afraid. I love it. Mark is not afraid. Welcome, dude. I hope it isn't raining on you. Me too, man. If you're outdoor right now, I hope it's not raining on you too. Clearbro, give some idea about upcoming new tokens and coins. Raul, everything's going to be dangerous about upcoming new tokens, right? Because they with that added risk, you're going to have added reward. But you always have to worry about whether the project will stabilize, whether it's going to be accepted, and whether that crypto coin is going to work out in the future. Now, because of all that added risk, you will have added reward. So just be willing to take that risk. Oh yes, blessed, man. Welcome. Thank you for grabbing that green name. Oh my gosh, you guys know what I want to see right now? I want to see 344 welcome Outdoor Smiles and welcome blessed to the chat. You guys know what to do. Come on now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, welcome. Blessed with the eggplants. Welcome, welcome. Thanks, Uncle Ben. Absolutely, Lex. Absolutely. Bro, when day in the life video, Daniel, I'm going to be completely honest, dude. You guys basically see a day in my life between the video that I post before the live stream, the video that I post after the live stream, the 2 videos that I post after that live stream. You basically see a day in my life. Like, no hat. No hat, dog. These dogs in here, they don't wear hats. Alex! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Number 1. Ha ha ha. Number 1. Ha ha ha. Number 1. Ha ha ha. Alex, man, you know what you are? You're number 1. Ha ha ha. Thank you very much, Alex, for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, dude. That's a cute little dog. I like that dog. That dog is number 1 for sure. Let's go Shiba Alex. Let's get it, man. And thank you very much for the super. Really appreciate all of you guys today. I've been using Coinbase for years, but no micro coins. Any recommendation exchanges that have a more of a sure, Woody. So I don't know where you're from, but you can. Binance has a very large selection. If you're not willing to use like a wallet, if you don't want to go out there and use Pancake Swap and swap them that way, Binance. You can check that out too, especially if you're international. There's already an international Binance link in the description. Wrestler, a subscriber. Wrestler's definitely a subscriber. Oh, Nawoot, who are you? Gotcha, subscriber. I love it. Nawoot, thank you for being in here. Carlos, still Val. The majority of money made at theaters are from concessions. Yeah, I love theater experience, but it's way cheaper to buy snacks and drinks in a home theater. Dude, buy a man purse, dude. Buy a man purse. Just take your snacks in there. Be okay. Simple motivation. Ooh, I like it. What does he say at the top? Ooh, level up. Simple motivation. Thank you for the super chat. Ooh, level up. Ooh, level up. Ooh, level up. One more time. Ooh, level up. Thank you very much, Simple Motivation, for the simple motivation to simply level up, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. I love it. Thank you for that series. That was a good one. I don't know if anybody's ever sent me that one before. Thank you very much, Simple Motivation. Really appreciate you, man. Can I sell my shares, then buy them back if I want to average down? Justin, yeah. You can do that, man. That's a strategy. Voyager's nice. There you go. Bronson likes Voyager. Why not, bro? I don't know. I missed something there. Becoming a green name. Maybe that's what you guys are talking about. Not sure. When Shiba will be $1. Donaldo. It's going to be hard for Shiba to hit $1, man. I'm going to be honest. Fact. At the movies, I actually watch and enjoy the movie. At home, I use my phone too much. Can't concentrate. It's not the same. On a different experience to go out. It is a different experience to go out. I don't really use my phone while I'm watching a movie unless I am just watching like TV that I've already seen. Simple motivation. Thank you for another one. Thank you very much, Simple Motivation. Nice little marching band there with me and my little buddy. You can't see my little buddy, but we did. We went on a march. Do not sell to average down. Boom! Don't do it. AMC Trapper says, not making it happen. Simon, it may kick in when the 7 month starts. Possibly. Not exactly sure. The JB, something is off then. Maybe get a wife who's a big bag. Yeah, dude. And then you can take all the snacks in that you want. You're hilarious. Simple Motivation. You're hilarious. You're the one sending me these super stickers, man. You're the one sending these things. I did like that level up one, though. I don't know if anybody's ever sent me that one before. That was pretty good. Bro, I need a wrench. Chris! I was going to wrench Chris, guys, but then I looked at the clock. Yo-Yo Mayo. How do you know that I play the flute? Yo-Yo Mayo, I expect an answer in the next live stream as to how you know that I play the flute. Other than that, it's 1 o'clock, guys. I was going to wrench my buddy Chris there, and I can't do it because it's 1 now, and we got to go. Who's hungry? It's lunchtime, guys. We're going to take a break. We're going to have some lunch. Get all the shout-outs out there. Your videos are great. Thank you so much. Simple Motivation, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. I appreciate all of you guys being in here, all the super chats, just hanging out, having a good time. Okay, bye. Elizabeth comes in. Elizabeth leaves immediately. Thank you, Elizabeth, for being in here. Simple Motivation, man. Thank you. I try my best on the videos, dude. I do. So, really appreciate all the positive feedback, guys. Clay, you better not skip my last one for that flute comment. Oh, man. Also, from a movie fan perspective, not a movie will go away. But TV series quality have been banging lately, and streaming the series at once is on the come up. Yeah, but you can't stream the whole series at the same time, man. That's just ridiculous. Blessed! Oh my gosh, Blessed saying don't leave just yet. Blessed says, thank you. Blessed. Thank you. Blessed. Thank you. Last time. Thank you. Blessed. Thank you very much, Blessed. Really appreciate that. And Victor says, have a hot dog for lunch, man. We're going to take that hot dog. You know what to do? It's called the dip and shove technique on the hot dogs. You take the hot dog and you dip it. You dip it in your favorite dip, man. You just dip it down in your favorite dip and then you shove it. You take it and you... Oh, it's hard. It's hard. Somebody's got to do it, man. Somebody's got to do it. Victor, thank you very much. Victor says, oh, that's not it. You're going to have a full lunch today, man. You got the banana already peeled. Lick and stick technique. You take the banana. Oh, sorry. Victor, eye contact. Oh, Victor, thank you. And the salt shaker, because bananas alone are terrible. So you throw it over your shoulder for good luck, and then you... Dude, every time, man. Every time. Always gets in my eye. Victor, thank you very much for the full course meal there. Really appreciate that, guys. Wax on, wax off. You guys know what the deal is. Give the names in the chat right now. Let's get the shout-outs going. And then we will see you guys in a couple hours on the afternoon stream. Good point, Sam. Yes, Sam's always got good points, man. If streamers end movies, then why Netflix with the original movies? Go to the theaters. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Some motivation holding 21 million Shiba. Stay strong, boys. Stay strong. I love it. Simple Motivation. Yes, guys, stay strong. Absolutely. We're going to watch Shiba do its work over the long term. Short term is good, but over the long term, it's going to be great. All right, man. Bless. See you later. Mr. Simon, Chris, Brittany, Frodo, Chris, One Love, Pugnacious, now, y'all. Elizabeth, Mr. Simon, Pugnacious again. Blessed. And we got Lewis coming in with a... Thank you very much, Lewis. Thank you very much, Lewis. Thank you very much, Lewis. Really appreciate that. Oh, Victor says, ho, Victor, I will see you later, my friend. Thank you for the mustache. I gotta stop, man. I gotta stop. I gotta either think about this stuff before I do it or something, man, because this is just getting out of hand. Lewis, Victor, thank you guys very much for the super chats. It's time to go. Thoughts on Saitama. We'll clear up the thoughts on Saitama at the next stream. AMC Trapper, I love it, dude. Peace out to the diamond-handed apes. You guys know what time it is. They won't let you leave, Clay. They keep super stickering. I know, man. It's ridiculous. And I got to think about this stuff before I do it next time, because some of this stuff can just get out of hand. You're so fun. Thrifty woman, you're fun. Come on now. Rester, loving the vegetables and fruit all day. Somebody's cutting me off. Somebody say. Somebody's saying it's time to go. All right, but it is time to go. For real, guys. Crack me up now and all. Y'all have a great day. Julie Miller, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Julie Miller. All right, Victor, see you later. Raul, Thrifty Woman, Julie. Danelle, see you later. Wrestler, Mr. Simon, see you later. Elizabeth, crack-a-lackin'. Oh, yes. All right, guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome